Hello and welcome to the video. Do you know you can generate few bucks easily in your free time by selling images? This might sound weird, but it's true. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about an application that can be a game changer for you and your business, no matter whether you are an individual or a firm. However, before going ahead, I would like to say a very important thing. So pay close attention to what I say. This application named Stockmages is available only on the official website. And to help you out, I have left the link in the description box below. Make sure to visit the link after watching the video. And it is in its launch period, and so the prices are a way too low. So make sure to take the full advantage of it. So yes, what is Stockmages and how it can help you? Well, Stockmages is a platform that contains high quality, professionally cut out images made for local businesses. We all know nowadays social media presence is very important for business, whether you're an individual freelancer or a part of a firm. And to boost the presence and to boost your presence, high quality images are a must. However, for small businesses, it is not viable to spend lump sum money on getting high quality images like it is available on Shutterstock, Getty, and many other platforms. And this is when this application comes into play. This application can not only create unlimited background free images but will also help you create unique content, and all this can be done in a few simple steps. This will barely take a minute or even seconds, and your website will look as if it is professionally designed. The images will blend seamlessly with any background. The application also offers a training video on how you can make the most of it, that is driving traffic, selling the images, and a lot more. Another interesting thing is that there is no copyright issue. It is like you own this huge photo library of 3500 plus professionally cut out images. And the best part is the software comes with 100% money back guarantee. By any chance, if you do not like the application, you can ask for a full refund within 30 days from the date of purchase, and no questions asked. Isn't it amazing? So grab this early bird offer. And to know more about this application, visit the link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.